So I would decide for one mug, but came out with two. Yep, two mugs. Anyway, you guys want to see what I got? Let me put this aside. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Hold your horses. I'm showing you the mug. It cost me $10 for this damn mug. Okay, don't blow. Ready? There you go. Oh my god, it's dirty. The Deadpool mug. It's microwavable. God damn it, it's not microwavable. Anyway, this is one of the boxes. Came in to get this. I also found this. Yep. Oh god, please fit. Oh yeah. Oh, there you go. Good job, backpack. Let me put this in first. So I'm heading home after this. Yeah, so that spot over there that I showed you guys, I wonder if I could use it for, I might want to use that spot for wheeling, practice how to wheelie. Okay. Yep. These are my lucky charms, by the way. Lucky tags. I got 4 lucky tags. For luck. As a new rider. You gotta get some lucky charms. Hopefully you'll get run over. Shut this down. Okay. We good? Yes, we are. Let's go home. Yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah, I'm just heading home now. Oh god. Oh. Okay. Oof. I didn't want to start when he's around. This bike is too loud. It's a fun bike for the streets. It's definitely a fun bike. Hold on, let's see if I have any cash on me. cash. Do I have cash? That's the question. I do. I have cash. I got cash, bro. This is a fat ass wallet. I prefer a fat wallet because let me know that it's in my pocket. I don't like those minimalist wallets. I used to like them, but I just tend to lose stuff. I normally don't carry cash. What time is it? Woof. Oh, I forgot to do a sound clip. God damn it. I was gonna do a sound clip with the exhaust, with a separate mic and all of that. I don't want to do them at at my place because, well, neighbors, they are already complaining about not cutting my grass. Please cut your grass. They were like, hey, can you please cut your grass? HOAs, man. HOAs. Anyway, it's just a temporary place for me. Hopefully I can move in the next year or so. Oh well, sound demo next time, I guess. Or should I just make a turn? Do the sound demo? I don't know.